Let's go to page 576 and start with number 2. Okay, so this one is a complete table of the values for each equation and graph the curve. Name x and y intercept. Okay, so number 2, you have the equation y equal to x squared over 4, and the table that you have would be x and y. Okay, so you need to have the -3, -2, -1, and 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you got -3, you put in here, so -3 squared will give you 9 over 4. Okay? And this one over here, -2 squared will give you +4, and over 4 will give you 1. Okay, this will give you 1 over 4, this will give you 0. You can put 1 in here, you're going to get 1 over 4. And put 2 in here, you're going to get 1. Put 3 in here, you're going to get 9 over 4. Okay, so now to graph this, you just need to plot those points. Okay, so when x equal to -3, this is going to be 2.25. Okay, so it'd be 1, 2. It's going to be right over here. Okay, so you can use your graph. So this is 2 and 1/4. Okay, when x equal to -2, y equal to 1, so it's going to be right over here. Okay, you can use your graph paper. And next one is when -1 will give you 1/4. Okay, so it's going to be right over here. And it's going to be 0, 0. And the next one, 1, and it's 1/4. It'll be right over here. And 2, 1. And notice this is a quadratic, so it's going to be symmetrical. Okay, and then you're going to get over here. Okay, and then just connect the dots. And remember to put arrow on the end. Okay. And that's it for number 2. Okay, and you're looking for, then after that, name the x-intercept and y-intercept. So x-intercept is where it crosses off the x. Okay, so that's over here. So x-intercept would be 0. Okay, so x-intercept is equal to 0. That's where it crosses over the x. Y-intercept is where it crosses over the y. Okay, so it's also equal to 0. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 4, you have y equal to 3x minus x squared, and you make the table. Okay, so you got x and the y, and then you have the -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you substitute, so you can kind of go off to the side to figure it out. So if you have y equal to 3 times -2 minus -2 squared, and so this will equal to -6 minus 4 equal to -10. Okay, and same thing with this one. For 1, you got y equal to 3 times -1 minus -1 squared, and this will equal to -3 minus 1 equal to -4. Okay, when it's 0, everything is going to equal to 0. Okay, and this one 1, so it'll be 3 times 1 minus 1 squared. So this will equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So this will give you a 2. Okay, for this one, y will equal to 3 times 2 minus 2 squared, so equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Okay. And for 3, so y equal to 3 times 3 minus 3 squared, so equal to 9 minus 9 equal to 0. And for the 4, y equal to 3 times negative 4 minus negative positive 4 squared. Again, whenever you substitute, put in the parentheses. So this will give you negative 12 minus 16 equal to negative, let me see. Oh, positive 4. Okay. So that's why you want to kind of work it out. So cut down on careless mistakes. Okay, so this will give you negative 4. Okay. So once you get all these points, again, you can do the graphing. Okay. Okay, so negative 2 will give you a negative 10. Okay, so it's kind of out of boundary, so don't worry about it. If you cannot fit on graph paper, don't worry about it. Next one is negative 1, negative 4. Okay, so negative 1, negative 4 is right over here. Next one is 0, 0, and you got 1, 2. So at 1 is 2. And then at 2 is also 2. And then 3 equal to 0. And 4 will give you negative 4. Okay, so your graph is going to look something like this. Okay, so this point is not giving, but it's going to be a little bit higher, and it's going to be like this. Okay, and so that would be your graph. Okay, so you can just plot the points on here, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, sorry. We have to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, so x-intercept would be equal to, x-intercept is where you cross off the x, so it'd be here and here, so it'd be 0 and 3. The y-intercept is when you cross off the y, so it'd be 0. Okay, number 6. So it's giving the instruction, but it's pretty much, you need to do exactly the same thing. Okay. So number 6, you have y equal to x squared plus 2x plus 2. And you want to make the table. Okay, so the value you're looking for is negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Notice it didn't give you 0, but you need to do it anyway because you need to have all those points. Okay, so even though it's not on the list, but you still need to do it. You need to get all the points in order, so that way you can graph. Okay, so when you're graphing the curve, make sure you don't skip numbers. Make sure you have the entire list. Okay, so let's go and put in the numbers. Okay, so y is equal to negative 4 squared plus 2 times negative 4 plus 2. And this will equal to 16 minus 8 plus 2. And this will equal to 10. Okay, for this one, y equal to negative 3 squared plus 2 times negative 3 plus 2. This will give you 9 minus 6 plus 2 equal to 5. Next one, so y equal to negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus 2. So this will equal to 4 minus 4 plus 2. This will give you 2. Okay. and -1. So substitute. So this will give you 1 minus 2 plus 2. This will give you 1. Now 0, you put a 0 in here, you're just going to get 2. Okay. Okay, again, because when you put a 0 in here, okay, this is going to just cancel out, so you're just going to get 2. Okay, for the 1, so y is equal to 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 5. The next one, okay, you're going to get 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 2. So this will equal to 4 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 10. Okay, again, notice the symmetry. Okay, when you have the square, there's always some kind of symmetry. So this match with this, see that? And so this is like this is called a vertex. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph this. Okay, the first point. So first point is -410. So -410 is out of graph, so don't worry about that. Next one is -3, 5. 10 is way out here. So next one is -3, 5. So -3, 5. Yeah, so the first one is 10 is way out here, so don't worry about it. Next one is -2, 2. Then -1, 1. Then 0 is at 2, 1 is at 5, and 2 is 10. Again, it's way out there, so don't worry about that. Okay. Then you want to find the y-intercept. Okay. So y-intercept will equal to 2. Right? That's where you cross over the y. Again, y-intercept is when you cross over the y, so the y-intercept equal to 2. And this one, okay, the x-intercept. Okay, so in this case, it doesn't cross. So x-intercept is none. Okay, it didn't cross over the x. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have the equation y equal to 2x plus x squared. Okay, so okay, over here, he only asks you for -3, -1, and 1, but in order to do graph, you have to get all the points in between. So you start with -3, -2, -1, 0. Again, make sure you do this in order. So you got 1, and that's all. Okay. So you got y equal to 2 times x plus x squared. So this will equal to -6 plus 9 equal to 3. So this will give you a 3. Next one, y equal to 2 times -2 plus -2 squared. So this will give you -4 plus 4. This will give you 0. Okay, next one, y equal to 2 times -1 plus -1 squared. So this give you -2 plus 1 give you -1. Okay. Next one. At 0, so plug in, you're going to get 0. Okay. Then you get the 1. So y equal to 2 times 1 plus 1 squared. So equal to 2 plus 1, this will give you 3. Again, notice the symmetry, right? This match, this match, this match, right? Okay, so let's go and graph those points. Okay, so first point is negative 3, positive 3, negative 2, 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Okay, so your graph looks something like this. Okay, so from here, your x-intercept will equal to these 2 points will be negative 2 and 0. The y-intercept is equal to 0. Right? Okay, again, x-intercept is when you cross over the x. You cross over the x over here and here. For the y-intercept, you only cross over here. Okay, and that's it for number 8. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 10. Your equation is y equal to x cubed minus 3x plus 4. And you want to get the value starting from negative 2. So you got negative 2, and next one would be negative 1. So some value doesn't ask you for like 0, but you still need to have that to graph. And you're going to get 1 and 2. Okay, so substitute the numbers in here. So y equal to negative 2 cubed minus 3 times negative 2 plus 4. So this will equal to negative 8 plus 6 plus 4. This will equal to 2. Okay. Next one. Y equal to negative 1 cubed minus 3 times negative 1 plus 4 equal to negative 1 plus 3 plus 4. This will equal to 6. Okay. Then the 0, when you put 0 in here, all this will be gone, which will just be 4. Okay, so this one don't even have to do that. You can just look it over here. Okay, for 1, so y equal to 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 plus 4 equal to 1 minus 3 plus 4. This will equal to 2. Okay. And then for the, so this one over here, y will equal to 2 to the 3 minus 3 times 2 plus 4. This will equal to 8 minus 6 plus 4. This will equal to 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph this. Okay, so first one is negative 2, positive 2. Right over here. Negative 1 will give you 6. Okay, so it's going to be way up here. And then you're going to get 0, 4. Okay, then 1, 2. And then 2, 6. Okay, and that's sort of so important not to skip any numbers. Okay, so your graph is going to look something like, okay, it may not be exact, but something looks something like this. Okay, so this would be a cube equation. Okay. And because this one is kind of hard to know what this is, so they did not ask you for the x-intercept. So this one they only ask you for the y-intercept. So y-intercept would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, equal to 4. Okay, and that's it.